Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here at the home shop. And I am about to start the prep process on this brand new Yamaha Wave Runner. This is an SVHO-FX Limited supercharged. This thing's pretty badass. So I had coated a Jeep Renegade in Hydro Blue with Underdog Pro, and client called me and said, hey, I just bought a jet ski and I love the maintenance characteristics of, cleaning up the Jeep, and I want you to take care of my brand new jet ski. I've, only had it for, I think, 2 weeks. So we do have like some, I know the lighting isn't really great, but there's a bunch of water staining, salt staining, and stuff. There's some tight spots where he didn't really get too well. I don't know how well any of that'll show, but there is definitely a bunch of kind of funky stuff. It's not like new condition. So I'm going to prep it down. What I'm going to start with is Cope CarPro Whiteout foam cannon soap. Let me find my viewer here. So good product just to start out. It's a touchless wash product. So I am going to be using the pressure washer and the Kraus & Becker airless paint sprayer along with FenLab Pure, and in conjunction with pressure washing and using the foam cannon, finishing up with the distilled water in the 5-gallon bucket with the Kraus & Becker. I am going to nail this thing down. I've got a very fine yeah, I'm just kind of lost in my thoughts. Sorry about that. But I have the yeah, I've still got the tag here. I'll show it to you. Bear with me. Probably should have taken this out of the bag. So this is the comparing clay bars with this clay disc, and all the things that it takes out on. You can freeze and zoom that if you need to. Get you a good spot. Probably now would be good. And anyway, I will maybe try claying if I've got some stubborn things. Let me try and get you in the lighting here. Yeah, that's showing up with the clouds pretty good. It's maintenance is not his thing, so he's trying to get away from the maintenance. We had a long discussion about post-coating maintenance care, and I am going to be using Dallas paint correction on this TMR. That's the Titanium Marine and RV product. It is like a 9-year, 10-year product. I told them we'd be lucky to probably get 4 with, outdoors and on the water and, the abuse that it will be taking. However, I'm going to get this thing all prepped up, and then I am going to, hey, stuff from the factory still attached. Going to, just get this thing coated. I plan on doing it's kind of late afternoon. I've got nice shade to work in here at the home shop. There's the 2 dailies that now are displaced dailies. So I'm just going to get this thing going. I'll be making a, probably part 2. Maybe I'll show you some application on the coating, and then I'll probably do a wrap-up video. I always put them in reverse order. So, just go to part 1, just hit your autoplay, and you'll have a nice little movie without, too much interruption, because I just, don't do editing, as you know. But I'm working on it, because my neighbor over there, she's a professional photographer, and she's going to be working with me. We're going to do some bartering. So anyway, I'm super stoked about that. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, like, share, and most importantly, hit that notification bell, and you will be alerted to other great videos when they come out. Look, oh my God, it's my famous neighbor. That's Gabrielle Reese over there. She's amazing. Hey, I only wish. But anyway, I will get back with you for part 2, and I'll get this thing all dialed in. I'll probably start about 5 a.m. in the morning. I'll have it in the garage. I'll have all my, fans and AC going and everything, and I won't be working in this hot house of a garage. I don't think I've really taken you in the garage. I'm just going to do a quick, my 2000 psi carpet, or rather extractor. My hose is hung up nice. Got things out of my way. Got my lighting, all that, and a bag of chips. And my Pro platform. I did a video, I don't know, maybe about 2 months ago on that. That thing has saved my bacon on a big Hummer I was working on. So I've got everything kind of, this is my mobile, easy access on tools, for the carpet and blowing things out, all my vacuum stuff. I'm going to do an engine detail tomorrow morning. Got all my brushes. Just everything's real easy to grab right here. The vac and the compressor, which I use all the time, are right out here. I usually keep the pressure washer, and that's my wheel bucket for all my brushes and whatnot. So anyway, I thank you for being with me as always. Until next time, I appreciate each and every one of you, and please subscribe. I'm getting near 1,000. I'm kind of excited about it. It's just one of those milestones, even though it's very, very small. But I'm not about, that. I'm about helping each and every one of you with your detailing needs and a little information, tips and tricks, things like that, review products. So stick with me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Whoa, the large extra flip side, which I've never done before. Anyway, take a great day and enjoy making your vehicles beautiful.